What's up guys, it's Matt Collins Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today I'm talking about Power Automate, I'm talking about expressions, and I'm talking about the OR expression. So OR is a logical type function that allows you to pass in two different expressions, and if only one of them evaluates to true, one or both, then it will return a true value. If neither of them return a true value, then it will return a false value. But this allows you to use a catch to see if whether one of them is true, then it'll pass. So let's take a look at that now. So I'm in my Power Automate flow. I've got manual trigger flow, and I've got a text input here, and then I've got a compose action down here. So I'll click into compose. I'll go over to expression. I'll scroll down to the logical functions, and we've got OR here. So you can see the two parameters that we need to pass in are expression 1 and expression 2. So it says returns true if either parameter is true. So we've got three options here. So both are true, which will return it as true. One is true, which will return it again as true. Or both are false, which means it will return it as false. So let's make a simple expression here. So we'll choose OR. Then we'll use the equals expression, and we'll go if OR 1 equals 1, and my next expression we're going to use equals again, and we're going to choose if 2 equals 2. So all this is saying is if either 1 equals 1 or 2 equals 2, return a true value. If neither are true, return a false value. So we'll click OK, and we'll test this out. So I'll perform the trigger. Run the flow, click done, and we can see that this is returned true. This is returned true because both of those inputs were true. Let's change one of them. So we'll say does 1 equal 3, for instance. And we're going to hover over the function again just to make sure it's updated correctly, just sometimes it doesn't always update. We'll perform the trigger again, run the flow, click done, and there we can see it's returned true again. So what happens if neither one are true? So again, we'll update it and we'll say if 2 equals 5. So we'll click update, it updates the function, we can hover over just to double check. So 1 equals 3 or 2 equals 5. Choose test, I'll perform the trigger, run the flow, click done, and we can see it's returned false. So we tried three different expressions there. We tried if both expressions returned a true value, where only one expression returned a true value, and where both expressions returned a false value. So the OR operator allows you to specify if only one of these things are true. So you may have some sort of conditional logic that may pick up some processing. So maybe it is a questionnaire that is filled out using things like Forms or Forms Pro. And then from that questionnaire you may have two questions. Do you want to hear more about our marketing material? And do you opt into our marketing material? And if one of those is true, they'll then send a flag or a marketing material to the next person, or to that person that signed up for it. So that's where you can kind of use these, and you can kind of build on these things, and you can make really complicated logic where if this and else and ors and all these things put together to make a really cool statement. So let me know what you use this for down in the comments down below. As always, if you could like and share this video, it's much appreciated. If you've not already, please add me on your social medias. All the links are on the last slide of this video, and I'll see you next time.